Hello viewers on our channel Kanal of AVIT. We are on NEC Competence Days 2024 and I have another guests and another new brands on NEC Competence Days. Could you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for having us here. My name is Nils. I'm with KLOTZ AIS. We are a cable manufacturer based in Germany, and we also produce all our products in Germany, so everything is made in Germany. And we provide a complete range of cables for audio, video, multimedia, and system integration as well.
Thank you. And you?
Hello, my name is Michael. I'm product manager from König Meyer, also based in Germany.
Michael or Mikael?
Mikael, yeah. And we are celebrating this year 75 years for König Meyer. So we are well known in the market for stands, all kind of stands, equipment for musicians like microphone stands, speaker stands, multimedia, all kind of instrument stands. So the complete equipment, hardware for musicians.
Okay. Could you say some more words about your brands? Because you are not very known here in Poland.
So maybe I go first. At KLOTZ, the complete name is KLOTZ AIS. And the AIS stands for Audio Interface Systems. So that's why a lot of people and a lot of customers tend to think that we have mainly audio products or mainly audio cables. And that's why some of the system integration companies say, well, they don't have any multimedia cables or they don't offer any solutions for video cables or camera cables. So I go to another manufacturer, but it's quite the opposite. We started 45 years ago with audio products and audio cables, but we evolved into having a complete range of cables, also for system integrators, for installation companies. The main part of what we do is on the event industry, but also in the event industry, we see a change for the last 20 years or so, that it's not only audio focused, which is still the main focus, but it's not only audio focused, it's also focusing more on network cables or on fiber optic cables and even multimedia cables in the event industry.
Video systems.
Yeah, and video system. And that's where we have this overlap with also the system integration partners. And since we witnessed the COVID pandemic, we saw that there is also a chance for us to have a bigger stock in order to get rid of all the problems with the supply chains that we saw like a couple of years ago. And for the last years, we have a huge supply of stock, and we are also increasing it next year again. We are planning on having a new warehouse that will be built next year. And now we try to approach the Polish market with exactly this. You get a high quality product from KLOTZ cables from Germany. And you can get most of the cables also for the system integration partners directly from stock in Germany. And that is the advantage that we try to put forward during this show.
Thank you. And you, please?
Yeah, it's pretty much similar to the König Meyer philosophy. First of all, we have quality products. That's why we're also very good in the pro audio market. But also we provide a lot of products for the MI, for the musicians itself, but also for pro audio, for TV broadcast. There we're well known. And the goal is to have quality products. So we also offer a 5-year warranty on all of our products. We have spare part service for 10 years available. So when you stick with us, then you are safe and secure, and we take care for our customers.
Stay and secure is very important today, especially during this time. We are in Poland, not very far away from the war. And how do you prepare the stability and the safety?
If you rely on cables only and not only on putting everything over IP, then of course that is an advantage also regarding the security aspect.
Do you observe such trend on your market in Germany?
In Germany, I think it's a bit different because we're not that close to the Ukraine. But of course, we see a trend in Germany in general that we're focusing more on security aspects. Also, when it comes to the cables, and that's why we also have a lot more requests for high quality network cables, for example, or for fiber optic cables, where the data is far more protected, if you want to see it that way, on a fiber optic cable, because it's not an electrical transmission, but it's an optical transmission.
What clients do you want to catch here on the market in Poland? For what client are your offers?
First of all, we are always looking for long-term partners. We're not looking for the one big project on the installation side. We're looking for long-term partners who implement our products into all of their projects that they have. And on the Polish market, we started to access this market directly through a sales rep that we're working with the same one who's working for König Meyer. And he started to look after, first of all, the event industry for us, and then the MI business. And now also starting with this show, we are also try to focus more on the system integration partners, but on a long-term perspective.
So you are focused on the long-term perspectives.
Yes, right.
For system integrators.
Yeah, right.
And you?
Mm-hmm. For us, also the philosophy is always to work to look for long-time partnerships. And as I mentioned, we are in the MI industry as well as in the pro audio. And nevertheless, we are here to get a better brand awareness into the market, so that the company is better known in the Polish market as well.
Last question. Why are you together? This question should be the first.
We're both German-based companies, and we have a similar approach to quality and a similar approach to the market in general. And we have a huge overlap of customers that are buying from König Meyer and that are also buying from KLOTZ.
Yeah. Thank you for the short interview.
Thanks for having us.
And viewers, if you want to see much more about NEC Competence Days in Krakow, look at our channel on YouTube, Kanal AVIT.